Okay. I hope she does the toe thing again because that is so funny. Wow! You learned this a lot faster than Daisy Bear did. Oh, look at the butt. I'm filming it. Mm-hmm. I know, but she won't go down the stairs. The first time was like all tippy toes and. Come on, Thena. Good girl, Thena. Yay! Well, that was learned. And there's Daisy. Good girl, Daisy. Look at that little butt, though. That's so cute.
Come on.
You can't have nerds. Your nerd is Daddy. Come on. Come on, baby. She's realizing the steps aren't that far. Good girl, yeah.